Oh my god, quick, I'm just rushing to the office now to put this video together. There's an exploit on YouTube that can really blow up your channel. Wait one sec.
Right, are you ready? Great. This thing here is the exploit. This thing here is the thing that will blow up your YouTube channel. I started a YouTube channel around about 3 months ago. Right now it's got 7,300 subscribers. It's already monetized within 3 months, and it continues to explode in growth. All because of this thing here. Kind of. YouTube Shorts. Now, I'm sure you've heard of these before, and if you haven't, there's an entire video up here explaining every fine detail about YouTube Shorts. But what it is it's vertical format video, less than 1 minute in length, that is engaging. And the reason why it's an exploit is that right now, it needs content to fill the shelves on mobile phones underneath the main videos. I was able to grow this new YouTube channel through the power of YouTube Shorts, because if you put up shorts that are connected to trending topics, and on that channel it's all about cryptocurrency, those trends have a chance of filling the shelf, pumping people to your channel, collecting like-minded individuals, and then feeding them more longer form content. So Alan, how do I use this exploit and how exactly does it work? You record a video in vertical format, less than 1 minute in length, you upload it with some kind of catchy title, less than 40 characters in length so that people can see it on a mobile device. Most importantly, somewhere within that clip, try and make some kind of interesting face or screenshot, something that is eye-catching. The reason for this is that you can't pick the thumbnail by uploading something, but when it uploads, it will give you 2 or 3 options, and that 2 or 3 automated options is the thing that you could place on the shelf. So if the entire video is fairly visual, then you've got a better chance of it standing out. So for example, if I'm introducing the video and it's all about Minecraft would do better in the thumbnail than just this face. Now, the way the exploit works is that you upload the video, and then normally within 12 to 24 hours, 48 hours at most, assuming that you've hopped onto the trend, it can propel you above the amount of subscribers you've got. My Crypto Rookie channel, for example, had 200,000 views off of 5 videos when it had 200 subscribers. Why? Because it didn't care about the amount of subscribers you've got, it just cared about the video being engaging. If you're able to hook onto something that is relevant to your niche and pull those people in, that can be the baseline of your channel. So on the Crypto Rookie channel, it just so happened that I made videos about a specific project. It was called Ada. That doesn't matter, the specific project doesn't matter. But if you're a gaming channel, for example, and you know that right now there's a brand new Halo Infinite game or whatever it needs to be, you start making YouTube Shorts about that, and they happen to be newsy things, whatever they need to be, you jump on that hot topic, it pulls them in, and then they know that you are a gaming channel. You continue to pile on very quickly subscribers if that shorts video really goes viral, and then you can capitalize on that. So my crypto channel did really well with Ada style based shorts, and then I know that I've got an Ada audience and an Ada niche, and then I can make Ada related videos that are longer that keep people watching. Here's an example. Ada video, Ada video, Ada video. Those are the shorts, those pull people in, they then stuck around and subscribed, so I then started making longer form videos, Ada video, Ada video, Ada video. That way they were hooked in by the 20-30 seconds, and then they've stuck around for, in this case, almost an 11-minute video, loads of watch time, lots of engagement, and in this case, because of the niche, a good monetary slice from the AdSense. Maximize the hook potential using the shorts, use this exploit to grow your subscribers, and then feed them some quality watch time. That way you can beat the algorithm. Watch this video on how to beat the algorithm, and watch this video on how to improve your click-through rate, and I'll see you soon.